A day in the life of a professional humorist starts early. Professional speaker Patrick Henry starts his day with enthusiasm and vigor. After a shower and shave, Patrick goes downstairs to greet his adoring family. Patrick likes to start his day with a piping hot cup of coffee. His wife Leslie is famous for her coffee. Of course, if he wants a cup, he can get it himself. And then it's off to work. Patrick waves goodbye to his family and then hits the road. Air travel presents challenges of its own, especially when you're traveling with a guitar. But Delta goes out of their way to make sure it is a pleasurable experience.
Delta loves guitars!
Patrick has been best described as what happens when keynotes, comedy, and concerts collide. Now that the work is done, Patrick gets to head back home to his little corner of heaven in North Carolina. At the end of a long business trip, Patrick is exhausted, which is why he loves nothing more than ending the day curled up on the couch with a beautiful blonde bombshell.